Okay, now we will see about the publishing the coordinates. So as you can see in this file, we have already linked the site plan of CARE file and we have already acquired the coordinates. Now we will go to the insert tab and click on link Revit. And we will link the architectural model and make sure we will use auto internal origin to origin and click on open. So as you can see, this is our Revit model which we want to align this model similar to the CAD file. So for that we will use the align command. So you can go to the modify tab and here there is a first option that is align in the modify panel. So click on align. This is my first point magenta line and this is my second point. So as you can see my wall has been aligned like this. Okay. Now similarly I want to be aligned. This is my first point and this one is my second point. And last but not least, this is my first point and this one is my second point. So now if I will be go to 3D view, as you can see my Revit link model has been perfectly aligned with my site model. Now we will see about publishing the coordinates. So click on manage tab and click on publish coordinates command and simply click on link Revit model and we will use internal current and simply click on OK. Now we will save the file. So now it has been displayed the message location position has been changed. You have changed the current position in architectural.rvt. What you want to do? Yes, this time we want to save new position back to the link. So click on save new position back to the link command and click on this option. Okay. Now we will save the file and close the file. We will save the model and close the model. Now we will go to the open and we will open the architectural model. Now notice that if you will be go to the site plan, what we want to do, we want to use our orientation to the true north. So as you can see, this is our orientation. If orientation has been set to the project north, notice that our site has been located same as the project north. But we want to use orientation to the true north. So we will click on true north. So now if we will go to the level 1 and notice that if we will use site plan view, then our orientation is set to the true north and in the level 1 our orientation is set to the project north. So this is how we can use this architectural model linked with the site plan model. So this is the importance between the orientation between project north and true north. So whenever it will be comes to a site model or site plan, make sure you use the true north, and for the floor plan you use the project north. So project north is basically like that: north upward, south downward, west and east, like that. And true north, it will be exactly located as per the site condition. Now let us we will jump to the next topic, that is modeling the walls, and let us we will start our architectural modeling. So basically in this first module we have covered that what is the difference between project north and true north, what is about shared coordinates, what is about internal origin to origin coordinates, and how to link site plan in our Revit model with different sets of settings.